Def, dirty bad mind, mommy do you so. Be a negative, you just a
And money is there.
Them are the bigger man, them we can push we forward. Them man, they never come to it. Mr. Tufton left town, come out with foot yourself. And none of them never run a Portland, never come to it one time and say, you, John, what me like what I do, you know.
Have a platform, them man.
If me can open one little page for you, me will open the man, eh? One like you know rate with from around a Portland, brother. So you know how we make some money
carry on. Come from out, come
and show we ratings and I give you ratings.
Come from out, they come rate.
So you know how we make no money carry on spend around a Portland. Eh? If you no big you up, you know. Remember who are the big man around a Portland,
we are big up Portland. We are big up Portland.
We are rise Portland. So if you know the wrong way and dig, if you no give you a strength, and we not get the rise, brother.
But never hear the tell us King never get an amount on it.
That no lie.
Me no did I look it, yeah.
Me never look it. Me never look it, yeah, so. How we know that.
Me nah look Hannah.
You worse to all we too.
Yeah, me nah look Hannah.
You
worse them type of king, yeah.
I owe you talented down there. Them rather for hold you down than to see you rise.
Remember say we come like King Selassie, you know. Everybody ever run with me.
Any king a king, you know.
Any king a king, brother.
Wrong policy we are preach.
Yeah, right. So
how much people are gonna run with that policy? You know my policy, you know. It's not the policy where the system teach, you
No.
know.
Street smart.
Yeah.
Could have never be the policy like where the system teach.
Then when we would not teach that again.
And the system already know it and get it already. Yeah.
So we would not teach that again.
Review it back?
No.
I remember I know. Our man see out there, our man live right there, right, put in a book in.
Yeah.
And I read back to you.
Here where them tell we say, man have it dead for man live, you know.
Yes.
That a fucker again.
No go so.
No, you know that me I tell you say, you have to go in your own book where God give you in your head, you know.
Yeah, no. They know.
You know, say all we get that. Babylon not have to make no book for we writing, you know.
Then they see him daily something wrong, you daily living there, right, put a book in a can.
No, just check it thing, no man. Babylon not have to give we no book for we writing.
Have to read.
You have to read. Just check it thing, brother. Man not have to dead for me live.
No.
Remember me tell you this. Look into this
you
now,
not live
brother.
my life.
Look into this. You were there, say, you know, you're Godfather, you know. Well, if I youth in a village. But remember, you know, every day you build, you know, every day you buy.
Yeah.
Well, if I youth make $1 off a way yard, you know. Way yard you can't do yourself, you know, you can't find the money to do it.
Yes.
You know how much people make money and I live off of you.
And
if you're dead, you know how much people
You know how much people start make
money there.
When you dead,
he dead with you.
Oh, you mean if you dead with you?
So, if man have to dead for man, then if you did
when man dead, man suffer more,
man. Yeah, man.
So them on go teach you that brother for kill off one another.
You know the next part of me not believe in a cat? What they say? Man was born to suffer.
No me,
woman
no
was
me.
feeling pain. Not a fuck no
No
more.
me, no me.
If a man want to suffer, him want
Man
to suffer.
suffer.
Go out there, go look it.
Oh, you mean?
You will
No
never
born to no
suffer.
So look here.
Man born to feel pain.
Just
you know.
like how them can tell us a man shape in our iniquity. What is iniquity? Iniquity I want evil something.
Alright.
And look for my blessed mother and father will go up there, go spit me out up there. And you want to tell me say me shape in our iniquity. Who is you if you tell me that? You understand me?
Something already.
What the shape of our iniquity? What is the shape of our iniquity? Then at that you put me as? You put me as that?
You must say you're born as a fucking sinner.
Not me.
But that him say you
Me
is.
no born as no sinner.
So them say you have to go to church now and repent and come back born again.
No, me no born as no sinner.
How church to save you?
Me no know.
And
Me
water.
can't be a sinner.
Church and water and man
No.
can save you.
Cannot.
Me
Because
can
of that
never
go on
born
a
as a
church.
sinner.
One something what they call baptism.
Yeah.
A
Baptism.
man do it and one church or riverside with water
Yeah.
or seaside. So then go one place where water there and the man where you go do it, our man.
Me baptized.
So hold on, let me ask you something. One man can save my sin.
Can't do nothing.
One man can stop me from
When you
sin.
see money, you baptize us sin more, you can check when do last night before you come.
No, but what is sin?
Sin or what?
Well, them say the devil work.
What? All of we do the devil work then.
Everyone of it.
Everybody
Then
do
what,
the devil work.
where you wash where for me sin for? You know if I something when me feel live with.
But them not say.
100% knowing you have to that.
Look for the one you know. Look where you come back and check it thing now. Them say you have to live in sin, you know. And yet still, them say you have to baptize and born again. And you see no more. And yet still them say you have to live in sin. Because every day you wake, them say you sin. Because them say the word from your mouth, you sin. One word you say,
What
you sin.
caused that?
Me don't know you
So if
ask
you're
them.
born in a sin, what can wash off that?
You ask them who put in a book.
Jelly water.
Must jelly water to blood clot.
Who put in a book
And
and
the
tell
only
you.
wash that when me believe say could have wash off
them,
it
them
like.
just not give it the right thing, you know.
You're born in sin,
And it
brother.
was written.
Remember say that come like your blood then, you know.
Yeah.
What can wash off that?
What's your mind?
true, man.
Your mind control
Nothing
your
can
body.
wash
And you
with
go
that
tell me, say
again.
when you
No.
carry me go baptize me, me not sin again.
Me no sin anymore.
Water wash for this.
Yeah, wash it.
Salt water.
And river water. I want pool where they have in our
Which part
church.
ban you eat there?
Eh,
That's why I can wash that.
eh.
My
Them
whole
look
body
how often
fried
me
to toe.
bathe.
You never wash off it.
No.
Proper my fuck man.
So look how often me
No,
bathe.
then, no, must the water go wash you out. So
Yeah.
which part pan you eat there? Proper
A special water. That's why we see I
No.
must see jelly water.
And that me know cause seaside, me see them baptize.
And river.
Yeah,
And if you have
where
them pool in
everybody
them
be.
church,
Yeah,
then do
where
it there.
everybody
Alright, then look at our pool at church now. If 20 hours sin and 20 hours blood clot baptized in a pool at church. And pay sin pack up like this, you know. So me I go pan your
Say
sin. you know.
every man baptize the water change.
No.
Me no believe so.
So sin I go pan sin. So boot sin wash off. Me go
Sin
in the
you wash
water, me
off.
take off and boot
So
sin.
where me
I
baptize
sin
in?
now gonna waste sin no store up in this.
Holy water or pipe water?
There's in store play water.
And river
Yeah,
water.
before me baptize.
Oh,
Me feel safe you go baptize, I should have Jesus blood.
yes.
You're late.
I should have Jesus
That's blood.
blood.
That could have water.
I should have Jesus blood.
Where them say so blessed.
Yes.
As a them sister, you know.
Yeah. They never see
So
anything.
what cause
anything where-
Jesus blood to
anything
bless do one for me?
Anything where
No,
we
me
are-
want know. Me want
No, left
what
that
what
alone.
feel
We
it?
left that alone. A reason, left that alone. Look a reason for a difference. So.
Him die for we.
Yeah. Cause me could have passed Jesus.
So what cause
But
with
he
you
said, "Me
die
not die for
again?"
no one."
So what cause with you die again?
Cause them said death is a point to man, you know.
Then him
Once
never
you born,
dead
you
for we
must
already.
dead.
So now him the dead for.
Dead for himself, man. He can't dead for me. If he dead for me, I know that dead already to with him. Dead for himself.
Yeah.
Him dead, that mean we not supposed
Me
to
not
can
fi
dead
dead
again.
again.
But what me not understanding this thing now, you know, brother. I'm gonna go deep into this thing, you know. Then put up Jesus and a thief together, which is the thief was Barabbas. See? Why the people refuse Jesus, who is the good man,
And take the teeth.
and take the thief?
And now have problem with teeth.
I know a problem with thief. Why go like that?
Make teeth rain.
So thief run the world then.
Yeah, make teeth rain.
Thief is a better man than Jesus.
But
That
that
them
must
a show you.
No,
Them.
Make
man, here
thief.
we know. Barabbas thief and take care of them. Because when Barabbas thief, he not take it for himself. He carry and share it between him and them in the village.
Yeah.
So them honor Barabbas
So
more.
Jesus no share with them.
Eh?
So Jesus never share with
But
them.
Jesus I give them they don't want thief. One little crumbs of bread and fish can't share with so much man. And what much multitude then say share for?
It bless.
Yes.
Eh,
We grow.
in your belly.
Yeah, it bless.
So when you eat, you're not go hungry.
No, cause it
Yeah,
bless.
For how long?
Well, we don't know, but them say it bless. Then for one man use one fish share to multitude.
Yeah.
Multitude that can't tree, so much.
No,
Half alone.
Only
Yeah.
for people, man. I'm not everybody number.
Can
Them
be
never
tree.
tell we them a
It can
number.
be tree, yes.
Yeah,
Man,
I can't
no wrong,
go
it
blood
can be
clot
tree.
tree.
Half alone.
I can't
Yeah,
tree
can
person,
be
man.
tree. Multitude, them say,
They
and
never-
more than one.
One.
Yeah, only.
Yeah.
people.
No,
Them
no.
never tell you no number. Could a
More
tree.
than one.
I could a two. Find a more than one.
Yeah.
I can't tree. Yeah.
I want a piece of
And
fish.
10
So
of them.
yeah, why we,
Yeah,
me
if
put
you
it a
hungry-
tree.
You hungry now, me give you one little piece of fish and piece of bread. That can't hold.
No
on.
glory that.
Stop a gap.
A glory
Me
that.
no cut the argument still, you know, but me hear say a man dead. And doctor compel him for sign say a coroner kill him father.
In father. Eh,
So,
Compel the dead man.
No,
the
the
five.
The son.
the son.
Oh,
Corona kill.
Him
the father.
So him
Eh.
sign that.
Yeah, so I just the ratings where they want give coroner.
Oh.
Well, are the same ratings where they want give God.
Mhm.
Jesus,
Yeah.
for them name.
Yeah.
So, I
So,
show you say
some great
multitude
Yeah.
and
Enough
enough
somebody.
people, but it can be three.
Yeah.
You ever check it?
But for give him the ratings.
Yeah,
You
Them say
Extra.
multitude, so
Multitude.
that sound like a
Yeah.
10 million.
people.
Yeah.
That's true.
One fish can't do that.
You know big fish is.
No care how him
I
great.
can too.
A whale, them never say whale.
You don't know whale is a fish
Any
too.
Them
fish a
never
fish.
say whale.
Any fish a
Them
fish.
say
Any fish a fish,
I couldn't
proper
have a
right.
shark. Any dingy man.
Them never say whale.
I can't one big one, Prafo.
Bravo.
You
No
know
care how him big, you could have feed 1 million people.
Yeah, brother.
Cause fish out, I see them
That's
like
why
that,
me see
man.
a 3 people. Why you can't tell yourself see a 3? Yeah, man. No put it so big, a 1 million. Put it a 3.
Just judge one fish.
Yeah. And how much mouth he can feed.
Fish over fish.
Whale.
Him share scale.
No whale.
And try.
Try and kill everybody gone.
Yeah.
No that way.
And the whole fish.
Cause scale enough, you know.
Yeah, everything will make up one fish.
You know, you have a cartel say nothing now ways, nothing now dash way.
Yes.
Thing I go. Yeah, man.
Me wouldn't say right, because it all depends on the size of the fish. No man, I use a feed.
Bravo.
I
If
don't
you
want
get
sprat
one fish long like the bed,
I don't want to sprout.
how much people
want
you can
sprat.
share it for?
It all depends on how much I give them. How much I give them. When we don't slice up that, how much I give one people.
So me say where that
One
slice
somebody.
they can't hold
Anyway,
it for
Greg,
how long.
one slice I feed all 10. If
Yeah,
you saw,
man.
a piece
Yeah,
of
man.
bread.
You know what I mean?
One little slice, so sister said go there.
And I like me doubt the king from do a thing, you know.
No.
You understand?
No, but me want to get it straight.
Yeah, man.
Me no idiot, man.
Yeah,
Say if
man.
you tell me something, tell me, make me
Give me the thing,
understand.
now give me no parable, man.
Hear me now.